करनी थी. I think that to me is the epitome, and I would say it to Ashu himself. I think it opened the doors. Lagan opened the doors of unusual casting in mainstream cinema, because there was not a single film till 2001 where you saw so many interesting new faces that all left a mark individually. It's never happened, and it actually opened the doors of casting. उसके पहले बहुत सारे जो डिफरेंट रूट्स होते थे वो इंडस्ट्री कास्टिंग होती थी, यू नो, जो उस फिल्म में उस किसी ने किरदार निभाया, किसी और फिल्म में किया है तो वहां से ले लो, यहाँ से ले लो. बट आई हैड नेवर सीन दोस फेसेस. दे वर रियल पीपल, एंड आई थिंक इट वाज अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ द सक्सेस ऑफ लगान वाज द कास्टिंग ऑफ द क्रिकेट टीम.
Absolutely.
Yeah, my question is to Ashutosh. I would just add it out with Karan. Definitely, Ashu is known for his very big canvas film and lots of characters, hundreds and thousands of people actually. You know, तो जो मेन स्ट्रीम के जो कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं उस पर आप कितना ध्यान देते हो? देन यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ अदर कैरेक्टर्स वेयर देयर आर वन लाइनर्स, टू लाइनर्स, डायलॉग्स आर देयर. तो उसमें आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट कितना होता है? एंड हाउ डू यू फील कि दिस पोर्टल इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू? And do you feel that you go through people those who are known to you first, and then you come to these kind of things as a secondary thing?
No, for me it starts at the scripting phase. जब कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया जा रहा है उसी वक्त मेरे दिमाग में वो किस किस्म का होगा, कैसे दिखेगा, that immediately starts taking shape. So I start already looking for people. So for example, when I was writing Guran, I used to always think that Guran should be somebody like Rajesh Vivek. Because जब तक स्क्रिप्ट आपकी पूरी नहीं होती, you can't take conscious decisions, but you always have somebody in mind. And then I actually went for Rajesh Vivek. But what happens most importantly for my movies is I need one fulcrum. If that one fulcrum is right, then everything else is easy to do. So when you have an Amir, or you have a Shah Rukh, or you have a Hrithik, who are really going to play a character, going to change themselves, by their presence, they infuse the entire film with a different kind of believability. So it gives me freedom to cast a new girl. It gives me freedom to cast new faces. And what happens is those new faces even somehow make him or her also believable. So it's a process that takes some time, but I enjoy finding actors. So I enjoy... when I was saying I watch regional television, I meant actually DD Oriya, DD Srinagar, DD Bangla. Go into all these channels and source the actors. And that can only be done when you have a kind of scripting level thoughts, clear thoughts.
Good afternoon,
my
Ashu
thing was
sir.
to ask you actually कि आपकी एक लिमिट होती है कि ना ये जितने इतने कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं वहाँ तक I'll be like focusing on that thing, and you have lots of other characters also, small characters. So
No, you're right, but every actor, right to the last, even if he's a non-speaking part, जिसे हम कहते हैं, non-speaking part, only presence, even that I ensure that it's auditioned and it's casted correctly. And when I say audition in wardrobe and everything. So it has to be done fully, otherwise you cannot leave anything unturned.
Ashu sir, Rachna from T2 Online. सर गुड आफ्टरनून. सर सवाल ये है कि जब आप अपनी पूरी फिल्म अच्छी तरह से कास्ट कर लेते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट एकदम सही लग जाती है जगह पर, और जब उसका ट्रेलर बाहर आता है तो कई तरह के रिएक्शंस आते हैं, मिक्स्ड से आते हैं. कई बार अच्छे होते हैं, कई बार क्रिटिसिज्म से भरे हुए होते हैं. आप उसको किस तरह से लेते हैं सर? हाउ डू यू टेक क्रिटिसिज्म इन योर स्ट्राइड व्हेन यू मेक सम बिग फिल्म्स लाइक यू डू?
आई थिंक यू हैव टू बी ओपन टू दैट. क्योंकि एक बात तो तय है कि जैसे मैं आपको एक बहुत पुराना एग्जांपल दूं कि जब अमित जी का बहुत अच्छा दौर था, अब भी है, लेकिन जब इन हिज यंग डेज व्हेन आई वाज वाचिंग हिज मूवीज लाइक दीवार, आई वाज वाचिंग त्रिशूल एंड ऑल दीस काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स, suddenly a film came in, a poster came in which was called Alap, and you had Amit ji's face on it in profile, a very poetic, and I didn't go for that movie. I didn't go for it simply because I was enjoying a dawn and a Trishul, and I thought ये कुछ अलग picture है, even though it was Amit ji. So what happens is we have our own immediate responses to trailers, and in a trailer you're trying to depict your movie to the best of your ability. So there are certain elements that shock you, but you have to still be patient and form your opinion after you see the film, because that's where actually everything comes out larger. And I must tell you, Alap was a superb film, and Amit ji was damn good in it.
Hi
Hi,
Hello.
Karan and Ashutosh. Hi, here. Don't you think in this present scenario, we have you'll have very limited choice when it comes to lead heroine in your typical mainstream Bollywood film?
Yes, yes, yes. Big problem. Big problem. 100 movies to make and 6 of them only that can sell your movie. Because suddenly you take anybody else and say you won't get the budget otherwise. क्योंकि फिर music नहीं बिकेगा, overseas नहीं बिकेगी, satellite नहीं बिकेगा, digital नहीं बिकेगा, कुछ नहीं बिकता फिर. फिर then otherwise you make a film that is smaller, then you can still take chances. The moment like and Ashutosh and I think are filmmakers that somehow when we think small we get scared and worried. I think we think best when we think large. At least for me, I think I mean when I was making Student of the Year, I used to feel really sad on the set. There was no star on that set ever. So I used to feel, oh God, is koi star nahi hai. So it used to bother me a little bit. But that was the ethos of that film. So I think yes, it's very, very limiting. We have very few movie stars, and I hope the country starts loving more and more stars very soon and gives them long legs and longevity as movie stars, so that we can actually have the choice. Because otherwise, it's really a problem. If we're going through a crisis, there really is just those many actors who are in trade parlance, viable, saleable, etc. And there are many filmmakers and many stories to be told. But unfortunately, they don't go through the grind because they go through the grind.
The last line that you said is the most important. The country needs to love more and more heroes and heroines.
Yeah.
Because we have to make movies, and a filmmaker, like, he has now launched 3 phases, or I'm bringing out a new phase. It's once in probably 1 year or 2 years, and then there's nothing. So there are others who are also launching. It's important that people start falling in love with more
I think the
phases.
longevity of a movie star, of creating that huge impact with the star, I think maybe because it's all kind of, there's so much available that I think that, the way that we used to love our movie stars, up to the 80s, I think, that madness and insanity is definitely depleting with time. And, well, I think we have to start loving them just to make more films, I think, otherwise we're... and anyway, to
So
say
I think
that,
what
to
some
relate
years-
that
yeah.
to what
Yeah.
Shekhar's endeavor is, actually, that's kind of exciting because, that opens, while there is just the dearth of those many viable actors, it also opens doors for so much new talent to walk through and kind of find a place. But like Ashutosh and I just said, the love is an audience prerogative. That's something we can't do anything about.
And I think what Samir said earlier is a very apt example of the funnel, right? Is the funnel serves as a potential discovery engine, and we want to be the input into that funnel. And once we become the input into that funnel, then it's really up to the filmmakers and the content creators and the script writers to be able to showcase a piece of talent for them to come alive. But it starts with the funnel. So,
Karan here, right here at the back. Here.
Yeah.
My question is for stars in your last movie, Student of the Year. So would we see you launching new stars in your upcoming movies through Talent Next also?
Well, I hope so. I definitely think that's my brief, that we definitely have to launch faces. And I actually now have started, and I completely endorse what Ashutosh said, that, you take the pillar face and you can definitely then create talent around it. But you do need that. We make films with big budgets, we have to sell them. We're producers at the end of the day. I'm not a corporate studio. I'm not funded internationally. Or I'm not a public listed company. I don't have that pool of wealth lying to take that chance with. I need to kind of have a selling face and then work around it. When I made Student of the Year, it was a chance I took. It was a leap that I had to take. And fortunately, things worked out. But it doesn't always work like that. So my dictate to the production house, to the directors, to who are making movies, let's launch new faces. Let's bring in new energies. And then, of course, leverage that, which is what I've done with Varun, Sid and Alia. We've put them in. So as a result of launching them 4 years ago, cumulatively, they've done about 7 to 8 films with me already, so it's actually added to the repertoire of work in the company. It's completely beneficial, and I would encourage it at all levels.
and that trickle-down effect
Thank
is...
you so much, Karan. That was the last question from the audience and the press.
Okay,
Thank
great.
you.
Yes, thank you.
Let's thank our esteemed panel here with a one round round of applause. And thank you all for coming.
Thank you, everyone.